Particular people with children. The key to co-parenting successfully after a divorce, whether you go collaborative or litigated, whether you take either one of those routes, is to learn how to forgive your spouse, work on that at least, and learn how to put your children first. And in the collaborative process, we work really hard to help people come to that spot. But it's also important that each person be able to a certain degree, put themselves in the other person's shoes. The collaborative process really only works if there can be some empathy for the other person on both sides. That doesn't mean that you understand the other person or that you think that their positions are fair or reasonable, but that you can imagine what it might be like to be where they are. And that's part of how we make sure the collaborative process works. Sometimes if the lawyers are not sure whether the folks are a good match for collaborative, we'll have them meet with a mental health professional called a coach. And that person is fortunately a lot less expensive than the attorneys. So instead of spending a lot of money trying to hash out a lot of emotional issues with your attorney, you have the option of working with the mental health professional coach who not only has the mental health training that the lawyer doesn't, but is also less expensive. So it's not uncommon during a collaborative case that we'll realize emotions are really getting in the way of coming to a resolution. The lawyers will step back and the parties just work with the coach, and then they're able to, once those emotions are worked out, they can come back to the table and work on the legal issues.